In this problem, we need to combine our logs using our division property. So log base 3 of x minus 6, or plus 6, over x plus 2 equals log base 3 of x. Since both sides have the same log, I can set their arguments equal to each other. So x plus 6 over x plus 2 equals x. Now we need to cross multiply. So that would give me x plus 6 equals x times x plus 2. Distribute your x squared plus 2x. I want my x squared term to be happy, and it is already positive, so I'm going to move everything to the right side in this problem. So x squared minus x minus 6. That factors. What multiplies to negative 6 adds to negative 1. That would be negative 3 and 2. And when I solve those, I get x equals 3 or negative 2. But remember, with these, we always need to check. And when I check the negative 2, I would have a negative argument right there, which means we're going to take out the negative 2. And if I check 3, it's okay and everything.